Welcome to another Keep the Fees tutorial. In this video, Sarah will walk you through the artist section of our software. This is where you can set up artist profiles, manage their commissions, and customize their individual schedules. Let's get started.
This is the artist section. Each artist within the company gets their own profile within our system. You can choose a thumbnail photo, set them up either commission, hourly, or booth rental. Also have different permissions for different account types. So if you'd like to give your management or your front desk different access than your artists, my team can work through that with you. It's also as easy as clicking a button to be able to toggle on and off the access for your artists to the system. Here, you can also set up their email and telephone number. They will get notifications on their personal devices. This is not shared publicly when someone books an appointment with them. Here you can enter in a little bio, also internal notes. If tattoo licenses are required in your specific state, you can enter that in here with the expiration date. 1 month before this expires, if it ever is going to, you'll get a notification to the main email on file letting you know that this will be expiring soon. Your artist can choose on the color wheel for which colors they'd like to be on the calendar. This section I refer to as our virtual file cabinet. You have the ability to enter in as much or as little information as you'd like, as nothing is required in this section. For those that require an artist signature to meet guidelines of your health department, we've added the ability for you to add in those artist signatures so that you can be compliant with your rules and regulations by your health department. Under the commission settings part, this is where you can set people up either under an hourly rate, or you can give everything by the piece and give those pieces specific prices. You also can set up any booth rental amounts. And if you'd like to split your deposit with your artist, you can put in the percentage you'd like to share with them here. You'll notice that only the tattoo services are checked off here for me. In this demo environment, I only do tattoos, so piercings and permanent makeup are not checked off for me. You'll notice that my rate of commission is 50%, and I require these certain deposits on these services. This is all fully customizable, and our team can help you get this all set up. This is the independent artist schedule, where you can set up your own individual hours separate from the shop hours, and then also indicate what days and times you may need off in the future. Whether it's holidays, doctor's appointments, or just vacations, you're able to put that time off here.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to explore more or customize your shop's artist profiles, head to our website in the description to sign up or book a demo today. We're excited to help you streamline your shop management.